traffic light. No traffic light. Traffic signal. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to make traffic signal with this black cardboard and with all this one. And these are the yellow, red, and green. And I have glue also. Now let's paste one by one. See, it's a glue. You must open it so good. Now a little the coloring circle. See, it's already pasted. Now the yellow traffic. Now let's open this glue. See, it's very easy to do it. Oops. Oh, sorry, I forgot to close it. Now let's paste it very hard. Now, let's paste this one. So it will be that all glue come out. Wait a moment. With this paper. Now let's paste green color circle. Ew. Oh, sorry. I forgot to close it. Now is the traffic signal. I'll tell you the traffic light. No traffic light. Traffic signals. Red means stop. Yellow means ready to go. Green means only go. It's all of this. So like and subscribe my channel. Do like and subscribe my channel and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.